Now we are going to learn two more terms called ionization potential energy and ionization potential. What is ionization potential energy? Look at the term ionization. Already you have learned the term called ionization in lower classes. Ionization means the electron which is revolving in the ground state that must be removed and that should be taken to the infinite orbit. That is from n is equal to 1 to n is equal to infinity. That is in the case of hydrogen atom. If the electron is removed from the normal ground state to infinite state, that process, for that some amount of energy is required. No, that energy required is called ionization potential energy. Are you clear? The energy which is required to remove the electron from the atom is called as ionization potential energy. That is measured in terms of electron volt. Here, when it is revolving in the first orbit, that is in the ground state energy, the electron it possesses minus 13.6 electron volt. To remove the electron from the ground state to infinite state, or to remove the electron from the atom, how much amount of energy must be supplied, that should be given. That we are going to calculate now. That is ionization. That is ionization potential energy. How it can be calculated? The electron is removed from the first orbit to infinite orbit. Therefore, energy of the infinite orbit minus energy of the first orbit, that is ground state. Substitute the value. Energy of the infinite orbit is 0 electron volt. Don't forget, energy of the infinite orbit must be taken as 0 electron volt minus 13.6 electron volt. After substitution, you will be getting plus 13.6 electron volt. The meaning is plus 13.6 electron volt must be given to remove the electron from first orbit to infinite orbit, or to remove the electron from the atom, this much amount of energy must be given. To do so, what we have to do? Externally, what we have to do? Here in this discharge tube, hydrogen gas is filled up. Within the discharge tube, within the hydrogen gas, plenty of hydrogen atom, they are wandering here and there. They have to be excited. Are you clear? With the help of electric energy, you clear, across the two electrodes, some amount of potential difference must be given. Are you clear? For example, here, this is the value, no? With the help of this, straight away we can write 13.6 voltage must be given. If 13.6 volt is given, this the thing will happen. That is, ionization will happen. Electron can be removed from the first orbit to infinite orbit, or we can remove the electron from the atomic system. Are you clear? So, how it can be written mathematically? Look at that. I will write the same thing in some other form. Look at that. Look at the formula to calculate the ionization potential. This value, what we have to do? We know the value of V ionization must be calculated. Are you clear? Ionization potential energy is already calculated. 13.6 electron volt divided by E unit charge, electron charge, E can be cancelled, plus 13.6 volt you will get. Are you clear? This much amount of potential difference should be given, only then electron can be removed from the hydrogen atomic system. This is called ionization potential. It is measured in volt. Ionization potential energy is measured in terms of electron volt. So these are all the things which are all told about hydrogen atom. Now I am going to give the general formula for any atom. So to ionize any atom of any element, I am going to write the common formula ionization. Ionization for any element. For example, if you want to remove the electron from helium or from lithium, so clear, there also ionization takes place. To calculate the ionization potential energy, we can write a general formula, that is plus 13.6 divided by n square z square electron volt. This is the formula. For example, if you want to remove the electron from the second orbit, in the case of helium, Z must be substituted as 2, electron is removed from the second orbit and it is taken to the infinite orbit. There, n must be substituted as 2. Are you clear? So, like that we can choose, we can ionize, we can calculate the ionization potential energy in any element. Like that we are able to calculate the ionization potential also. So, clear how to calculate? V ionization, that is ionization potential The only change is unit, plus 13.6 divided by n square Z square. Instead of electron volt, simply you write volt as the unit. Are you clear? So with the help of this, we are able to calculate the ionization potential in the case of any element. Are you clear? Both the two formula are common formula. These are the things which were already explained only in the case of hydrogen. Don't forget, ionization potential energy is measured in terms of electron volt. Ionization potential is measured in terms of volt. Ionization potential energy is measured in terms of electron volt. Okay. On the basis of that, objective question problems will be asked.